Okay, so you want to know how to freeze the screen, right? So you're gonna need an object like this, or something small or big, whatever kind of object or thing. So first, you gotta get something really silent so they won't hear it. So first, you gotta act like you're gonna throw it. So you're gonna throw it, and then I'll show you what you're supposed to do. Okay, go to your Kinemaster, and then you're gonna. Oh, I'm gonna get out of this real quick. 1 second. Okay, make a new video or whatever, and you gotta get your video that you're using. Then you gotta go to the part where you're pausing it, and then you go right here, and then you go right here, and then okay, after that you're gonna need to extend it out. Go to split screen, put it like that. Then you gotta put it right there or whatever. Oh, I think I just messed it up. Wait. Oh, yep, I did. Let's try to fix that. No, you can see the hand. Gonna have to throw it out. Okay. So take your picture again, add layer, blah blah blah, reverse, and then you can. Okay, there you go. Now you need to press that capture and add layer. Now you need to extend it long. Now you go to split screen, bam. Then you can keep it like that. It has to be far away from you. And then bam, you got your video. And then I'll show you what you're supposed to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and and this is the tutorial, and goodbye.